Hello students, I Shilpa Sharma from St. Thomas English Medium School, Surat. Today I am going to teach you English Literature Standard 5 and this is your Unit 2 and poem name is Teamwork. So, children, let me ask you a question. What do you prefer? Work alone or in a team? As you can see in this picture, this person is working alone. Can you see a smile on his face? And according to me, he is looking very stressful because he is doing his work alone. Okay, as you can see, there is an image of Sachin Tendulkar. He is a legend in a cricket. He is something in his own because he is the Sachin Tendulkar. But why he is in a team? Because without team, he is not able to do anything. He can score, he can create scores by his own, but for that also he needs someone in front of him. Two people can play at a time. One person cannot. Okay. So that is why Sachin Tendulkar also needs someone with him. He cannot play alone. And as you can see in this picture, in a group picture, they are so happy because they achieved a goal in a team. Okay. So I am going to read that whole entire poem first. Then I will start next. Teamwork, teamwork, together we can make our dream work. Then we will share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hole. But if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. And the relay race just cannot go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. We are the part that make up the whole and we got our eyes on a common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when a you or a me becomes an us. So this is your reading done. Please read this poem at home and write down in your notebook once. Now I would like to explain paragraph wise. So this is your first paragraph. Teamwork, teamwork, together we can make our dream work. So if you have a dream, if there are so many people and there is a dream, same dream, you can work on it together and you can make that dream working. You can achieve that because whenever you are in team, what you can do, you can pass innovative ideas. You can because you can just do your less burden. If you are together, that burden will be less on a person because that burden or that work is divided into a team to each and every one, and you can work very nicely in time and you can achieve whatever you want. Then we shall share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. So there is an advice kit in a team. What you can do, you can achieve your dreams, you can make them in a real, and you can share that joy. If your work is done, you achieved whatever you wanted, what you will do, you will be in a joy. You are going to enjoy that moment. You will be happy, and that moment is not belongs to you only, that belongs to each and every one. It's so fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop. But if nobody passes, then nobody shoot. So as you can see in this picture, all are playing in a group. Some people are trying to stop that person, some are helping him. So if you want to play, this is just an example. If you want to play a game, are you able to play alone? No, because you are not going to enjoy that. And in some place they require a team. Why? Because they need a team to help each other to achieve and to win. If there is no one to help, then that achievement is not possible. The relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. See, in a relay race, what player are doing? They pass the baton to one to another. One player will run, and that person will pass to the another player, to the team member. That the second team member will pass that baton to the third team member. So like this, what they are doing? First of all, they are working in a team. Second thing, they are on their track. What they want to win that race, so they are on a track. Third thing, they are dependent on each other, and that burden is less. So teamwork, there is a plus point. You can achieve that goal in a time, by the very less burden, and by helping to each other. We are the parts that make up the whole, and we have got our eyes on a common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when you or a me becomes an us, where whole in the sense whole entire. Single person cannot be a whole entire. So us is whole entire means everyone or everything, and we got our eyes on a common goal. Why you became a team? Because your dream, your goal, your target is same. That is why you are in a team. Okay, sometimes it can be a big plus. How? Because each and every person's thought process is different. When the thought process is different, what you can get? You can get more ideas, more easy way, or maybe difficult way, but very innovative. Okay, your burden will be less. So these are the plus point, and you will learn how to work in a team, how to calm yourself, how to dedicate that work. If there is any trouble in a team but you want to achieve that goal, what you will do? You will calm, you will think, you will share, and you are ready to listen also. So teamwork plus point, you will be a good listener also. Okay, you and me is us. It's not about you only, it's not about me only. Us is also very important. Whenever you want to think about everyone. Don't be selfish, or don't think about your own self only. We have to think about everyone. So makes impossible possible, that is teamwork. If there is something you feel it is impossible and very difficult to you, you are not able to do that, then what you supposed to do? Make a team, work it on. For example, if something given from the school to you like a project, okay, and you know you can do it, but if your parents are going to help you, that project will be more interesting, more effective, and more possibility. Okay, so if your parents are with you, that is also teamwork. It doesn't mean that you require another person, outsider. No, teamwork is teamwork. If you are with your siblings or your grandparents, your parents, your neighbor, all are counted in it. Okay, there is a picture composition. Look at the picture and answer the questions in one sentence using the word clue given in the box. So please try once by your own. Take it as a homework and do it. Thank you.